Well, hello students! Welcome back to Mathematics Application Class with me, Mr. Alfie. In this video, we're going to learn about trigonometry for right triangle. Let's check this video out. Now, we're going to learn about trigonometry for right angle. This is right angle triangle, as you can see, and this angle is beta. So, since this angle is beta, so this is the hypotenuse, is the large or the longest side, and this side is the opposite because it right in front of the angle, and this side is adjacent. By this triangle, sine beta equal to opposite per hypotenuse, cosine beta equal to adjacent per hypotenuse, and tangent beta equal to opposite per adjacent. This is a trigonometry for right angle triangle. So, let's this triangle, this beta, the opposite is 6, the hypotenuse is 10, and the adjacent is x. Set the equation which you would use to calculate the unknown x. So, find the equation to find the value of x. You don't have to find the exact value, you just have to find the equation. So, based on this triangle, since this is right angle triangle, it's applied Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem is 10 squared equal to x squared plus 6 squared. So x squared equal to 10 squared minus 6 squared. This is the equation to find the value of x. Next, how about to find the value of beta? What is the equation that you will looking for? So, since we only know the opposite and the hypotenuse, it means we're using sine, because sine is the opposite per hypotenuse, so 6 per 10. So sine beta equal to 6 per 10. So beta equal to anti-sine of 6 per 10. You can type this in your calculator and you will find the value of beta. For this case, you only have to find the equation, so you finish here. How about this triangle? But you have to find the equation to find the value of xz. The xz is the hypotenuse, so we know the opposite, and we're going to find the hypotenuse. So we're using sine. So sine 40 equal to 7 per xz. Remember, opposite per hypotenuse. So xz equal to 7 per sine 40. This is the equation to find the value of xz. Now we're going to find the exact value of x in the triangle below. So the angle is 35. Now we're going to find the value of x. So as you know, x is the adjacent and 20 the hypotenuse. So using cosine, because cosine is adjacent per hypotenuse. So cosine 35 equal to x per 20. So x equal to cosine 35 times 20. By calculator, you will find that the value of x equal to 16.38. That's the value of x. How about this triangle? So we're going to find the value of x. In this triangle, x is the adjacent and we know the opposite. So since we are going to find the adjacent and we know the opposite, that means we are going to use tangent. So tangent 50 equal to 10 per x, because tangent equal to opposite per adjacent. So x equal to 10 per tangent 50. So the value of x equal to 8.39. You can find this value by your calculator. Now we're going to learn about bearing. Bearing can be expressed as a certain number of degree from north in anti-clockwise. So see the blue line. The bearing of the blue line is 45 degree. 45 degree, we get this number from the north in anti-clockwise. So from north in this direction is 45 degree. How about this blue line? It's the bearing 120 degree. It's from the north again in anti-clockwise, in this direction, is 120 degree. So, this example, two boats sail from the same spot. Boat A sails 10 km on a bearing of 50 degree and boat B sails on a bearing of 140 degree. After 2 hours, the angle formed by starting spot to ship A to ship B is 30 degree. Draw a diagram to show this fact. This is the diagram to show this fact. Okay, for both A, we know that the bearing is 50 degree. This is 50 degree from the north in anti-clockwise and 10 kilometers. For boat B is 140 degree bearing. This is 140 degree. So, as you know, the angle between A and B is 90 degree. Why is 90 degree? Because it comes from 140 subtracted with 50. So this angle equal to 90 degree. So this is 90 degree. So now we're going to find the distance boat B has sailed. So we're going to find the value of x. Remember, from the problem we know that the angle that from the starting point to boat A to boat B is 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. We are going to find the opposite. Remember, this is the opposite. So, since we are going to find the opposite and we know the adjacent, we are going to find with tan. Tangent 30 degree equal to x per tan because tan is opposite per adjacent. So x equal to tan multiple with tangent 30. So the value of x equal to 5.77 in kilometers. So this is the distance that boat B has sailed. Now we're going to find the speed of boat B. Remember, this is the distance that boat B has sailed in 2 hours. So the speed is actually as per t, as is the distance and t is the time taken. So the speed is 5.77 per 2 hours. So the speed equal to 2.88 km per hour.